So today I am in the Neath Valley in Waterfall country, Port Neath Valley, following the River Neath, or the River Neath, to give it its proper Welsh title. But I am joined by Mr. Nathan Holmes.
The Robin to your Batman.
The Robin to my Batman, yeah. So we're just started, I parked the car down by the pub in Port Neath Valley and going to take a little wander up here. It's already achingly beautiful stretch of river. If you get a chance to come to this part of the world, definitely recommended. I have been here a couple of times, but I've never actually been to this waterfall we're going to head to today. I think probably the most famous one up here is Sgwriaira that everyone kind of goes to. Haven't been out walking for ages, probably more than a month since I've been out.
Yeah,
and
I'm in a similar boat. I've done 2 since the coast to coast.
yeah, but you did Ben Nevis.
I did Nevis and Cad Idris, but by Cad Idris I could feel the sort of fitness starting to go off. So it's nice to be out again, I think. It's very nice to be out.
Oh yeah, definitely. And this walk, is stunning woodland walk, following the river up here. But yeah, I just needed to get a hike in. I needed to get my legs moving again.
Yeah.
I have bought myself, in the meantime, a little pot, little one-person pot. It's kind of useless bringing a 2-person pot on all my hikes. It's so heavy with all the stuff in it. So we'll see how that goes later. We'll find ourselves somewhere to have a nice little cup of tea. But the weather today is probably going to be touching close on 30 degrees, so I don't know if a cup of tea will be welcome, to be honest, if I'm sweating.
I'm sticking to the cold water.
But we will pick it up a little bit later on, whether we see the waterfall first or see something else interesting before that. Let you know. So here we are, Scud Gladys. As you can see, there's not been a lot of rain lately. But it looks like you can walk behind it, so I think we'll go and see what it's like. That looks a little bit treacherous. We were going to just go up, see it and go back, but it's so close. I have to say, it's like a mile and a half from the car park, so a nice easy walk. So considering how much time we got left of the day, we're going to pop up and see the rest of the waterfalls.
They're worth seeing, apparently. So.
Apparently, yes. I can hear another one. I'm not quite sure how, but it's getting prettier and prettier. I'm not sure if the camera will pick that up, but that water is absolutely crystal clear. I have to say that this rock is like walking on ice. hasn't rained for a while, so it's actually pretty dry, but it's so smooth. You've got to take care on every single step. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but this is awesome. Well, I think this is as good a place as any for a nice cup of tea. So as I said, got myself a new pot. It's the Torx 750 milliliter titanium pot. First time trying it out today. We'll see how it goes. So as you can see, I got my trusty Pocket Rocket 2 little stand, and it'll fit a small gas canister in as well. So nice little bit of kit, fits everything you need in there. Time to make a brew. I just realised I forgot my spork. Always nature stirrer at hand. So, after a little sit down, a nice cup of tea, we thought we'd wander on for a little bit. And literally 200 yards up,
There's another one.
this little beauty, just off the path. Could hear it.
Yeah.
Couldn't see it though.
This is a waterfall extravaganza today.
Yeah, this just gets better and better every single turn.
Yeah.
I've just realised, since I started this channel, I think this is the first hike I've been on where it hasn't rained. However, it's definitely not going to be a video when I don't have a pint. I really regret not bringing me trunks. So that's us on our way back to the car.
And to the pub.
And to the pub. Managed to tick off all the waterfalls on this trail. We were only going to do the one, but a 2 mile walk has ended up into a 7 mile hike, but definitely worth it. Like I said earlier, this part of the world is absolutely beautiful, and it is literally on my doorstep. So if you do get a chance to come here, then it's absolutely recommended, 100%. But for now, just thought I'd give you a farewell. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.